Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday. Push it, motherfucker. Tell that bitch I love her. I'm just trying to. I don't need the picture that big. Ah, it's a little too small, maybe. Okay, so yesterday at like 7 o'clock. Where did we close? We opened up here. So at like 7 o'clock ish, we took out the target that I wanted, which was this daily high into this daily imbalance. Coming out of that daily fair value gap, 1 hour. We actually do have a 1 hour CISD down. Question is, where are we going to go down to? Now, if you're looking at this leg to this leg, we haven't hit equilibrium yet, actually. It's actually right there. London high. And we can mark out this. That's a nice area of liquidity. So that's the only thing that I'm seeing for that. We can delete that. That's not what I wanted to delete. We could delete that. Now, ES did already take out that daily high from whatever a couple of days ago, like right after. That's the high right here. And ES already traded within it and swept out that high, so it technically isn't an SMT. So, yeah. What time? Oh, that's daily. I was gonna say. Let's go down to the hourly. See what's popping. All right, so you see how ES actually swept out this level here, but NQ hasn't. One thing to note. I'm not even gonna really mark out London low. I'm not gonna lie. We'll mark out London high. So I think I want to be bullish. The only question is if we're actually going to hit this 7 p.m. goal, which we might do. We might not. So if I'm going to look for longs right now, so I am bullish, but if we want to come down and tap into these lower imbalances, that's also fine, and then I'll look for longs higher. We have no news the rest of the day, but we had 8:30 news, 9:30. Uh, 9:30. I don't know what this sell side is. That's from like a while ago. Um, and we never actually hit this data high. And this do I have anything for data high? No, I don't. We'll just call it buy side. Um, we never actually hit it. Did we hit it on ES? No. No, 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 no. Okay. So, yeah, that's a data high. So we'll see what happens. We're probably gonna hit it right now. I'm gonna see you guys later though. We have orange folder news, and that's it. And then tomorrow we have 8:30 news. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys when I see something happening. All right, everybody, I'm in a trade. I hit it hit my break even point, but I'm considering like, wow, this is a strong rejection from that high. Wow, that was a pretty quick break even trade. But I don't mind going break even there, I'm not gonna lie. Let me tell you why I took it. We had a 15-minute fair value gap to the left. 1 minute CISD was right here. This is actually a BPR. Yeah, this dude, I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like this is a kind of a stupid break entry. and it's gonna buy right back up. This is a BP. Wait, is there a fair value gap there? Yeah, a little one. It's gonna go right back up. If it comes back down like around here, I might give this another shot. Oh, actually, maybe not. We have an SMT. Okay, never mind. Um, but 15-minute fair value gap to the left, 1 minute CISD, 5 minute fair value gap, 1 minute inverse. We actually have, like we are respecting these threes in 2 minutes, so that's why I took it. The one thing that I don't like and why I'm hesitating on re-entering is that we actually have an SMT at these highs. Now this SMT may not hold. I mean, I don't want to say a random one, but it's a just like a 1 minute SMT that formed, 2-3 minutes ago. However, with the speed at which we sold off from that high and everything else, that was not a bad break-even point. Anyway, let me tell you guys the trade that I wish I fucking took, but because I was in the bathroom taking a fucking shit, I missed it. I wanted to see. It's on the 1 minute. I wanted to see right here. I wanted to see this area here get hit, right? For shorts. This was like my short target. Once I saw this, like we were selling off as a bitch. I was like, all right, let's ride the wave. We came up into a 5 minute fair value gap and then had this 2 minute fair value gap along with a 1 minute. It's actually BPR right here. Did we tap into it? We did. So right here, we tapped into it, sold off. You would have I probably would have waited a second to see how we reacted, but you would have shorted like around. Hello. You would have shorted around here. That's the wrong one. Would have shorted around here, targeting that level, which was like around here, which actually slowed us down a little bit. Actually, no, the thing was a little bit higher. It was like around there. This was the trade. I mean, it was straight profit. Stop loss, realistically, would have went at this high. I'm not even gonna lie. But you could have actually done a little bit lower. You could have done like here at the order block. Because once I saw that this order block formed, you could have put it. You could have put your stop loss here. Three cons, 80 or 85 points. So that's like I don't know, 400 ish, $500. This was a nice trade. And then this is what we have right now. We reswept this low, 15-minute fair value gap, 1 minute CISD, 5 minute fair value gap, uh, 3 minute fair value gap, which was what I was kind of looking at. And then this 1 minute inverse. Like, I'm not mad I took this trade at all. That was a good trade. And if it's a break even, it's a break even. Because we do have an SMT. I can delete this. I'm wondering how we will react. Because overall, I am bearish, which is why I hesitated taking that trade. I ain't gonna lie. But overall, I am bearish up until this daily fair value gap. I know it's a little messy in the chart, but we'll see. I want to see price tap into this daily fair value gap, and I honestly think we might. But I gotta remember, like this week's a little funky, so. But oh my God, why did I not take that trade? Well, I mean, I know why I was in the bathroom, but I always end up missing the like. I yell at myself for 9 to 9. Am I recording? I am. I always yell at myself for 9 to 5ing the charts, but when I don't 9 to 5 the charts, I end up missing a fucking trade. Or the trade, I should say. And it's just like, what the fuck? Fucking unbelievable. Fucking, how did I go to the bathroom? I saw it selling off, and I was like, alright, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and see what the fuck happens. Because, I get, like, right here, I'm not gonna just short off of this fair value gap, even though you could have. A simple, like, breaker structure fair value gap, it would have worked pretty nicely. And we had this fair value gap. Uh, this one. This one, though, was pretty nice. Okay. I just had to go to the fucking bathroom, dude. Unbelievable. unbelievable. And the thing is, I don't want to chase shorts, so like we might end up. Oh, this 15-minute candle closes in 30 seconds. If this 15-minute candle can kind of open higher and then come right back down, I think we are going to definitely hit this 320 level. Because if you look on the hourly, right, support and resistance people or whatever, this is obviously a big area of resistance, right, that we flipped to be support, but then we came right back down. We actually didn't get an hourly candle closure yet, though. So I don't know if this is technically flipped, but as you could tell, right, this area of resistance turns support. It's gonna turn. It's gonna turn resistance again. but, but like, if we didn't get any buying pressure from this area, then um, then I think shorts is the move. So we'll see what happens. So that's why I took that trade. It was a little $2 win. If you're still holding this, you're in profit right now, but I honestly wouldn't. Chat, little update. No trades taken besides that break even. We just randomly fell 70 points with this one candle into the target that I wanted today. So there's that. And when it comes down to shorting, I don't really think, or I really don't want price going any lower than this area. If we are going to be bullish, like this is going to hold. I feel like we're going to go higher from here. We are in this 15-minute fair value gap. Let's see what happens. Um, but we might have a. Let's see if we get a 5-minute long out of here. Anyway, Dr. Squatch has announced that I don't know if you guys know Sydney Sweeney. I'm sure you guys do because it's fucking Sydney Sweeney. I don't, but I remember seeing an ad long time ago of Sydney Sweeney in the bathtub for Dr. Squatch, and it's like, oh, you're a dirty boy. This is completely off topic, but she was like, oh, you dirty boy. Uh, something. Use this soap. Like it was an ad, right? But I was like, holy shit. Because it was Sydney Sweeney and she was calling me a dirty boy and I was turned on, I bought the soap. This was a long time ago. Anyway, anyway, apparently Dr. Squatch announced that they are releasing 5,000 bars of soap that has Sydney Sweeney bathwater in it. Oh, what the fuck? Now, I'm not buying this. I'm not that down bad. I'm not buying bathwater soap. Fuck no. However, I did buy soap that she was promoting because it is Sydney Sweeney. I'm gonna find it. Wait a minute, I can find it. I saw it on Instagram. Sydney Sweeney Doctor Squatch. I could find it. Oh, found it. Oh, it's not a picture. Oh, it's just a picture though. She is selling her bath water. But where's the ad? Sydney Sweeney's so bad. It's just her new ad. I'm looking up. Dude, this is a crazy search. Sydney Sweeney, Dr. Squatch, bathtub. What? This is down bad. Oh, I found it. 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 It's from men. I'm not gonna lie. I bought it so quick.
squash.com today and quit being dirty.
Actually,
Dirty little boys. Are you interested in my body?
wait, I gotta watch it again.
Hello, you dirty little boys. Are you interested in my body? Wash. Well, you can't have it. Because this isn't for boys, it's for men.
I'm sorry, chat. All right, we gotta lock back in. Oh, just wanted to come on here and do a recap. I haven't taken anything yet, and we randomly fell 70 points on the 1 minute, so we hit the target that I wanted. So no trades taken. And then I saw this Cindy Sweeney thing on Twitter, and I was like, no shot. Now, I'm not buying that bath water. That's disgusting. I don't care whose bath water it is. I'm not buying fucking bath water. What the fuck? What Discord thing keeps going off? So yeah. Now, what I'm seeing is I want to say relying, but I'm anticipating that this 15-minute bearish gets inversed. I want to see if this 5-minute got inversed. We did. Did we inverse it on both time frames? We did. So I'm not gonna lie, you could buy right now. However, I want to play it a little bit safer. And I want to see if price can tap this 5-minute. What's 5? If we tap this, I'll look for longs. However, you could long right now, practice account. We'll do 10, fuck it. Let's go in a little bit. This is practice, right? Yeah. We'll enter on practice with stops like your stop loss. I can put it like, and I want to get at least a 1-to-1. I'm gonna look that right. 15 minutes. Yeah, not bad. So just to see, just to actually take something. But if oh shit, this might actually happen live. I'm not gonna sit here and do it live because the video's gonna be too long. But if we tap this 5-minute and we get a nice 1-minute confirmation, I will enter. So I'm gonna see you guys later. If you guys don't hear from me again, nah, it's only 12 o'clock. I'll come back. Never mind. I'm gonna see you guys later. Oh, and you guys can't even see shit. All right, real quick. We're not even gonna edit that out. I don't edit my videos. They're all natural and raw. This 5-minute just inversed. We have this 5-minute fair value gap. If we tap this, I'm gonna look for a 1-minute confluence to enter long. However, I did just take it on practice real quick, just because why not? I think it looks good. It does look good, but I don't want to risk because if I take this actually, my stop loss is gonna be like it's gonna be 60 points. I'm not doing that on my live account or on my express accounts. However, practice I will. I'm anticipating that this 15-minute is going to get inversed, and then I'm going to target higher because my daily target got hit. And I don't think we go lower than this. I'm not even going to lie. I don't know. I don't think we're going to go lower than here. So I'm looking for longs today and tomorrow. Without even knowing tomorrow's price action, like in London and Asian session, I'm anticipating that price is going to go up. But we'll see. So I'm going to see you guys when I'm going to see you guys when I either take a trade or not, but I'm fucking up. Normally I would edit that out, but we're not. This is gonna be a long video. I'm gonna come I might edit this out. Fuck it, just finish the fucking outro. I'm gonna see you guys fucking later.